So this is going to be some test audio. Everything you're hearing from this point on is all through the DVR-616. As you can see, I borrowed a torso for some tests. So now we're just going to step it out. I'm going to show you a couple of different ranges that the unit's going to be effective at. So if I go back to about 3 meters, this is the effective range of the DVR-616 at 3 meters. This is about 5 meters, and the DVR-616 effective range at that. Do bear in mind that our shop here in the showroom is on a main road, so you may get some ambient noise coming through. And this is about 8 meters. So in a showroom, again, you're going to have walls and all the rest of it prohibiting some of the sound getting to you, but that's what you can expect at an 8 meter range. So hopefully you've got something out of the DVR-616. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the video, and this gives you a good example of what the capabilities of the unit actually are.